One. Today we're going to bring the WYZE camera. These are tilting cameras. You can remote control and watch your area surrounding. They give you an attachment so you can actually put it on the ceiling or on the wall. Type C connection to type A. Screws and also drywall screws in the actual brick to plug it in for the actual power. Now, these need constant power to work and also an app to download and install. They have 2 voice activation. They even have area for a tripod too, and also night vision for night recording.
All right, the WYZE camera comes in different varied colors, black or white. Now, the quality of the camera is very good. You could set this up and it automatically track any individual that walks in. You could train the camera and teach the camera what a dog and a cat and a human is. Now, if you guys can see, I am walking around this place and you're able to see it and remote control through it. But right now it's an AI tracking. It will track any individual that walks into place here. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.